station and saw how much gas costs, or open up your power bill and saw how much energy you're using? Well, today I'd love to persuade you guys on how we, as like the new people that's going to take over the world, should use alternative energy. Today I'd like to explain the pros of alternative energy, how it helps our planet, and how it works. So, that many of you have drove past, some dams or some, windmills and thought, wonder how much power they're using. We're using a lot. And so the pros of alternative energy is that it's sustainable. Like, it will never go away. What alternative energy does is it uses what the earth already makes. Like, we have the sun, so we use solar panels, the wind, the windmills. So we're not taking away from the earth, we're kind of taking what the earth is giving us. It's also non-polluting. If you think about all the oil spills that's gone on and all of the trash that is being put into the air because of most of the power plants. It's everywhere. You have the sun, you have the wind. We also have alternative energy that you can get from water and also from Earth's heat, which was pretty surprising. Also, it provides jobs, a lot of jobs. Every place in the world has a different alternative energy they can use, and making those plants and harnessing that energy provides jobs for people. Also, it stops us from relying on fossil fuels, which we all know is not renewable and will soon be gone. Compared to energy, alternative energy has no harmful side effects to our planet. We're not going to have, what everyone says. We have this huge, everything's getting warmer. We're losing ice caps. We're kind of turning our planet to mush. All that debate would go away with alternative energy. How it helps our planet, it's natural causing. Like, we use what nature gives us, so we wouldn't have to, dig for gas or take land away from the earth to build more power plants. And also, what I thought was surprising is that with the power plants, like with alternative energy, we actually use smaller power plants to get the energy. We also, harnessing the energy takes smaller space as well. Like I said, it's non-polluting, and it's also cleaner and easier to maintain, which is very nice for our planet. And also, like I said, no oil spills. So I'd like to tell you guys the different types of alternative energy. Wind power, which we have here in Idaho. Solar power, which people are now trying to use for cars to make it more sustainable. Geothermal energy is when we take the heat that is in the planet and we use it to kind of, build energy off of. Now, so hydroelectronic power is what we use from dams or water. Biofuels, they said it comes from plants and animals, but they use it in a way that we're not taking away from the planet. It's decomposed animal parts and plants that have already been used, and we're not taking out of trees or anything. Nuclear energy, but it's not like nuclear bombs or anything. It's just splitting atoms and taking the energy from them. Hydrogen and natural gas. Yes, natural gas is a fossil fuel, but we have not been using it as much. So it's kind of an alternative to fossil fuel, like oil or coal or whatever. So, like I said, one of these days I will have kids, and I want this planet to be clean. I want it to run efficiently, and I don't want gas to be $12 a gallon for later in the future. And I feel like if we do alternative energy, this would be a great thing for us for now and for our future children and for the future of the planet. So hopefully, when you guys think about alternative energy, think of some hippies trying to change the world, think about maybe something great that could help the world. Yeah.